Alright, so guys, another reaction video, Joe Unfiltered. This one's FAA Rule starts today, 2/25/19. Alright.
Alright, that wasn't so bad, was it? Nice and easy. I know that the volume on the... Oh, balls. What's up, Drone Scouts? Well, today is Monday, February 25th, 2019. So today is the day to where you have to have your FAA ID number put on your drone somewhere where first responders, law enforcement can see it. The FAA came out with a final interim rule. Basically what it means is it is the final rule, but they'll still hear public opinion about it. It will be a final rule. Basically, what the FAA did was they listened to law enforcement, first responders, and basically felt that, you know what, if a drone crashes or anything like that, and they have to come up to it and see it, if they don't have a registration, they don't know if it's a bomb. I mean, they don't know anything about it, especially if someone doesn't know drones. I think it's a good rule. For myself, being a first responder, I love the fact that it's going to be on the drone to where I could see it, or one of my fellow firefighters could see it, or any first responder. Now you got to remember, it's not just police, firemen, ambulance that are first responders. You also got people who work in the public sector as well. Nurses, doctors, electric guys, your water guys, your sewer guys. They're all first responders because once they go to a scene, they take the initial assessment, and then from there they make the calls. So having the registration ID number on the outside of a drone, for myself, it's a good thing. I mean, you know, rules are made for honest people. Let's just be honest. Okay? So what I want to do is, like my drone here, I want to get on the computer. I want to go through all the prompts, get my ID, put it on here, and I'll be good to go. Now, I'm a hobbyist flyer, so I have 3 drones, so it's only going to cost me $5, and I'll be able to print out as many IDs that I need, and I'll just put them on all my drones. Now, if you're a Part 107 remote pilot, basically which means, I can't talk. It's too early for me. Basically what it means is if you use your drones for commercial purposes that you charge, like clients or anything like that, if you have 3 drones, then you have to register each drone. So each drone has to have its own identifier on it. But again, hobbyists like myself, I can have 10 drones. I only have to have one ID number for all 10 of my drones. So that's awesome. So I'll tell you what, let me get on the computer. I'll show you how to go through the process, and then after that, you'll be good to go.
Alright, deal.
Alright, Drone Scouts. Now that we're on the computer, let me show you where you got to go to register. You want to go to faadronezone.faa.gov. Once you get on, this is the website, what it looks like.
Okay.
If you are a remote pilot, which is Part 107, and you have 3 drones that you use for commercial purposes, you have to register each drone, so which would cost you $15 for 3 drones. Now, if you're a hobbyist like myself, I have 3 drones. I'll just pay the $5 registration fee, and then I use them on all my drones. Now, once you're here, once you click on it, you'll have to create an account. After you create an account, then you'll go through all the options, filling out all your information, and once it's all done, you'll come out right here. Over here, I have my registration ID number, and I can also print out. It says print, email, and cancel, but I can print out my registration. Now, if you don't have a printer or label maker, then all you need to do really is just get a piece of paper, a pen, scissors, and some tape. Write down your ID number, put it on your drone, and tape it there.
It's not boring. I
It'll
just
be
have to be on business
weatherproof,
late. Been making
and
all
it's
these
just as cheap.
late at night. Yeah.
And it wasn't so bad, was it? I thought it was pretty easy to go through it. I already printed out my numbers, so I'm going to replace them on my drones because today is the deadline. You got to start showing them on the drones like this here, this Hubson. Love this drone. So, until next time, peace out, Drone Scouts.
All right, see you.